بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني بما ينفعني وزدني علما إنك العليم الحكيم. اللهم أخرجنا من ظلمات الوهم وأكرمنا بنور الفهم وافتح علينا بمعرفة العلم وسهل أخلاقنا بالحلم. اللهم ارزقني نعمة الإخلاص لوجهك الكريم بكل ما أقول وبكل ما أفعل. آمين يا رب العالمين. My topic today is a short talk about bird beak sign. And bird beak sign, it is seen in many examples of diseases, as we will see in this short talk. This is one of the bird beak sign, as we see here in patient with aortic aneurysm, and this is another patient with bird beak sign with arterial dissection, as we see here and there, and it is acute angle formed at the edge between the falls and true lumen of the dissection. As we see here, this is the false lumen, this is the true lumen, and this is the beak sign. This is the beak sign. This is the false lumen, and this is the true lumen, and this is the beak sign in this patient. Here, another patient with beak sign and patient with infantile hypertrophic biliary stenosis, as we see here. This is the beak sign, central beak sign. And here is another example of bird beak sign of the esophagus, as we see here in patient with achalasia. And as we see here, there is tapering of the distal esophagus, resemble the beak sign. Also, this is also called a rat tail sign appearance. Another example of achalasia with bird beak sign with tapering of the distal esophagus. And here, this is a small beak sign. Here, another patient with achalasia with bird beak sign. Here, this patient with the beak sign, bird beak sign, and this patient with presented with intestinal obstruction, and at the surgery there is cecal valvulus confirmed. Here, another patient with sigmoid valvulus with the bird beak sign. As we see, this is the region of the twisted bowel, and this is the dilated bowel colon proximal to the obstruction. Here, another patient with bird beak sign and patient with sigmoid valvulus, as we see here. Here, another patient with sigmoid valvulus with bird beak sign, as we see on the CT scan and the barium minima. And here, this patient with beak sign in the plain film, and patient with sigmoid valvulus. And here we see the sigmoid valvulus with coffee bean appearance, and the same patient with barium minima with bird beak sign of the sigmoid valvulus. This is a classic example. And another two patients with sigmoid valvulus with bird beak sign, and dilatation of the colon proximally. Another patient with the bird beak sign here with the proximal dilatation of the colon, indicating sigmoid valvulus. Here, another patient with another cause of paired beak sign. It is called Talar beak sign, and this is patient with tarsal correlation, and it is this beak sign refers to projection of the distal aspect of the talus, and it is most encountered is stereo-calcaneal correlation. And the same patient with Talar beak sign, the same patient with Talar beak sign. Here another cause of the paired beak sign in patient with Chiari malformation, and we see here this is the normal dictum in patient with Chiari malformation, and another patient with the Chiari malformation here with spina bifida and meningocele. As we see, the dictum is also normal, and here the third patient with the Chiari malformation with the peaking of the dictum, as we see here in this example. Here another patient with the Chiari malformation with tactile peaking, pure sign with the Chiari malformation. Thank you for listening and hoping to see you soon in another talk. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.